Hey there, fellow explorers and budding geologists. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Playdough Landform Models. Let's embark on an educational adventure where creativity meets geography. Step 1. Let's get our workspace ready. Find a flat surface, ensuring our landform creations stay safe and sound. Step 2. Gather inspiration. Let those colorful posters and handy flashcards guide your choices. Pick the landforms that intrigue you, whether it's majestic mountains, serene lakes, or snow-covered wonders. Your creativity is about to shine. Feel free to dream big or create a cozy corner of our planet. It's your canvas to shape. Step 4. Time to sculpt the magic. Using an array of colorful Play-Doh, bring those landforms to life. Mold the rugged mountains, carve out the winding rivers, and sprinkle snowy valleys with the precision of a true artist. Let the geography come alive. Step 5. Create the details. Grab toothpicks or any creative tool you desire to add that extra flair. Step 6. Assemble the enchantment. Arrange your marvelous landforms, crafting a breathtaking scene where mountains meet rivers and nature dances before your eyes. There you have it, friends. Playdough Landform Models. A fantastic fusion of creativity and learning.